Hello friends, welcome to the JBooks. My name is Amrita. In this video, we will learn how to create a portal effect in Photoshop 2021. Here is the final result of the video. But first, if you want to support me, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It will help me to act this video. So now let's start the video. This is our background. Now we create a duplicate layer. Press Ctrl plus J and create a new layer. Select this marquee tool. Create a new layer. Select the pen tool. Right click on this path, select the stop path and select the brush and then hit OK. Now we don't need this path. Select path and read. Yes. Double click on this layer. Select the outer glow. Fill this cyan color and then hit OK. And then hit OK. Press Alt and left click and drag this circle to make a copy. Increase the outer glow in all layers. Like this. And then hit OK. Create a new layer. Select the brush tool. Fill the white color. Reduce the size of the brush little bit. Drag this image. Press Ctrl plus T and rotate the image. Resize as per the portal size. Select the eraser tool and remove the unwanted area. Drag this image. Now we will erase the backside of the horse. Increase the opacity a little bit. Now we need to create a new layer. Select the eyedropper tool and pick this cyan color. Select the brush tool. Increase the brush size. Click on the drop down box and select the overlay. Increase the opacity little bit and highlight this back part of the horse.
Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted.
Now we have highlighted the image. Now we have to add shadows. So for this, go to the filter and select the camera raw filter. Change the value as per your image. And then hit OK. Click on this icon and select the levels. Click on clipping mask. Dark the image a little bit. Click on this layer and duplicate this layer. Now we create a shadow. Create a new layer, select the brush tool, fill the black color and then hit OK. Increase the opacity little bit. Decrease the opacity little bit of the shadow. And now create the shadow on the face. Create a new layer. Select the brush tool, fill the black color and then hit OK. Now reduce the opacity of the face shadow. Click on this layer. Now we will remove the ponytail. Select the pen tool. Right click on this path and select the matte selection and then hit OK. Deleted. Select the eraser tool. Remove the unwanted part. Now we will highlight the back part of this photo. Create a new layer. Select the eyedropper tool and pick the cyan color. Select the brush tool. Increase the brush. Increase the opacity. Click on the drop down box and select the overlay. Now we add smoke in our background. Reduce the opacity of this image. Select the eraser tool. Increase the brush size. Select on this icon and click the hue saturation. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And hit the bell icon to get the latest update of the new video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.